Alright, another unboxing from Chanel.
Now, guess what it is?
Yes,
Let's
we
see.
don't know what's in
Let's
it.
see.
Exactly. Oh, look at that little pink flower. Oh,
Whoa!
those are
Has a
nice.
sister.
They're sisters or they're twins? I think they're
We'll see.
sister twins.
We'll see.
That is pretty cute. Don't mess it up, though. Just leave it. Don't even open it.
Huh?
Don't even open it. It's
Oh,
nice.
I wanna do a reel too. Can I do it with that or no?
Yeah.
It's either or.
Yeah, we can just cut it. Like what you want to reel.
You ready? Ready?
Okay.
Ready? Ready?
I'm always ready. Go ahead. Ah! Alright, sorry about that. Looks like there was a battery issue. It says 14%. It just shut off at 13. Weird. Anyways, continue with the unboxing.
Okay.
So yeah, initially, we don't know what's in it. Oh.
Let's see.
Alright, let's see what we got going on over here.
What are your guesses?
Let's see. For me, Chanel. Okay, what do they sell? Chanel bag, a purse, a small purse, a mini purse.
Mini purse.
Yeah.
Micro.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is it a micro purse?
Let's see what you got going on there. Open sesame.
Oops.
Oh, it's
another.
It's a case.
Another case. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, it's all padded.
Suspense. One more. Oops. One more. There she is. This
It's like a horseshoe that's
horseshoe.
overlapped. Huh?
Horseshoe.
Yeah. See?
It's CC
See?
fall.
What?
Fall. What do you call
Or
that?
like half moon that's overlapping. Something like that.
Fall
And
model.
it has some grapes at the end, see?
2022
And grapes.
fall.
Those are pretty diamond.
I think it's blurry when it's that close.
That's close. Oh, yeah.
And it's also
Oh, bling bling. Yeah.
there she is.
So this is what's this thing called?
The brooch.
Brooch.
Pin.
Brooch pin. So for like you wear that on
You can put it
like
in
when you're wearing
your
suits.
your jacket, dresses.
Okay.
Some even wear it as a hair
Hairpin?
pin, hair
What?
accessory.
Okay.
I think you can be creative and put it as a belt.
Put that. Oh yeah. How about on your mask? You put that on your mask.
Or your mask.
All right. What's the next one?
Next one. What's your guess on this one?
Well, that's a brooch. I guess that's a brooch.
Nah, it
They're
could be
twins.
an earring.
Earrings. Or a ring. Or a bracelet. Like that.
Accessories.
Those are a nice bracelet. Or a watch.
Thank you.
It's a nice watch. A ring. It's a nice ring.
But those are not Chanel.
Yeah.
This is Chanel. Let's see.
Alright, Chanel, what you got?
Let's see.
Chanel there.
Ta-da! Voila!
Oh, another double
brooch.
horseshoe.
It's not a horseshoe. It's CC.
Another CC. Or is it a UU?
It's blurred.
U.
That close.
Is it a CC or a UU?
CC.
Or how
So
about
this
the-
one has smaller stones. It's also in gold. Both of them are gold, but this is lighter. It almost looks like a silver, right? Than this compared to this one. Oh, this is bigger too. I didn't even Realize that. This is bigger. That's probably why it costs more. This costs more than this. And I was wondering why. Maybe the size.
Yeah, I like how the chain kind of intertwined on this one.
And that's why they said it's expensive, because this is kind of
has more
harder to make. The stones are smaller.
Okay.
So, thank you, Papa.
Nice collection. Alright, anything else you want to say to your brooch collection?
I'm excited.
Alright.
I had smaller brooch. These are my first big ones. I'm excited to rock them.
Alright, thank you, Chanel. Or you're welcome, Chanel. GoPro, stop recording.